Welcome to the video of Jada Toys Just Trucks 1/64 scale. I've been to Walmart already last week because I found the Cadillac Escalade EXT that looks like a fire department. All I need to do is remove the light bar. I did that, and then the last step is remove the paint on the sides of the truck. That's what I'm doing right now. So let's get into this quick video. The full video of Jada Toys Just Trucks 1/64 scale. I'm going to explain the reasons why I love the Cadillac Escalade EXT 2002. I'm going to show each very vehicle I have. So let's go. The first one is the dark red. It has headlights, grill, and the body kit. I already show you. Yup, this is dark red with chrome wheels. This is the same casting I bought earlier. This is the interior. Look, it used to be a fire department vehicle, but not anymore. I have to remove these to turn into a civilian vehicle. This one has a sunroof. These two holes in between it has a light bar, but I removed it because it's too cheap. This one feels lighter than the older Jada Toys in the past because it has less metal now. It has a great suspension. Yup. Here's the second one that is a regular version this time. Sorry about that. Okay, this is the gold version. It has skinny tires this time. I showed you the wheels, black suspension underneath, and the tail lights this time. Escalade EXT. This is one of the cars in Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition I used to drive when I was young. I started driving this car in Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition. Here's the childhood truck of my dreams. It's the same truck. However, it's gold this time. Okay. Next one, 2003 Hummer H2 SUV, the first Jada SUV. It's lifted this time. I already showed you the interior. It has speakers behind the seats. This is the off-road beast. Yup. You could see the steering wheel right quick. That's a light bar on the roof. Next one is the 2008 F350 Super Duty. I still have this version. It has wider tires now, chrome grille, headlights, tail lights. Here's the interior. It has the vents. It has the same wheels from the Bigtime Ford Wheelin. Just like the ones, it has chrome wheels. It has the Ford logo on the tailgate. Here's the bed. That's the steering wheel and the seats behind it. Suspension and more. Okay, the next one is the 2050 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. I just saw the orange version at Walmart. It looks exactly the same. They have the same wheels from the Bigtime Ford Wheelin, as I mentioned before. It has chrome wheels, colorful silver metal flakes. Yes, this is my favorite pickup truck. This time it has taillights and the tailgate. that reads F-150 Ford logo on the Raptor SVT on the tailgate. Has a bed cover. It's an off-road performance truck. The best-selling vehicle in America. Ford F-150. It has widened body. The Ford letters on the grille. The hood scoop. Here's the interior. Yep. Here's your steering wheel. Yep. F-150 SVT Raptor. Here's the one I showed you earlier. Nissan Titan 2020. It has a Nissan logo. The suspension. This has black wheels. It's the same wheel design. It has the candy blue paint. Wow, look at that interior. There you go. It has a new tailgate bed cover. Okay. Now, let's take a tour of the entire collection of Jada Just Trucks. I'm gonna go over the ones I painted before. This one's the F-150 that I like. It's better than the red version. 2003 Hummer H2. Cadillac Escalade EXT. I bought this again because I used to have the permanent markers. Here, it's the same version as the gold version. It has the same. I have to remove the paint first, and I'll show you the full tool when I'm done. It's a former fire department vehicle. It's not a fire department vehicle anyway. So why they put the light bar on the roof? It's a civilian vehicle instead. There it is. Yep, I will not buy Jada Just Trucks anymore. 1, because of the Chevy Cheyenne Silverado is wide. 2, the two-door pickup trucks are not really 1/64 scale. There's 250s Chevy pickups and one Ford pickup of the 1950s. And I saw the 1973 Ford Bronco. It looks big and wide. Not true 1/64 scale Jada. And the Hummer H1 I saw at Walmart earlier. It's a SWAT SUV. It looks long and wide for a Hummer H1. So that's my collection of Jada. They are less detailed than the Dub City line or the high profile from 2007. I will not collect Jada Toys in 2023 because they might have the same castings every wave. It's endless now. Just Trucks has been running for 8 years. Have a good day, everybody.